Welcome to all of you. My name is Sumit Kumar, studied in Veltech Technical University, Chennai, Audi. Our project is analysis of mechanical properties of natural fibers, kenaf and sisal composite material using experimental method. Our team member is Sumit Kumar, Tarak Nath Manna, Sonu Chobe. We have to done this project in under the guidance of Mr. Salla Venkatesa Subba Reddy, Assistant Professor in Chennai. Our main aim of this project is compare the mechanical properties treated and untreated natural fibers by experimental method. Natural fibers are reinforced polymer composites have raised great interest among material scientists and engineers in recent years due to the need of developing an environmental friendly material. The ability of natural fibers such as kenaf, sisal in Asia is very more and also has some advantage over traditional reinforced material in terms of cost, density, renewability, recyclability, abrasiveness and biodegradability. So, what is composite material? Composite material is widely used meaning of the following one. Composite are multifunctional material system that provide characteristics not obtainable from any discrete material. They are cohesive structures by a principle. It is also two or more compatible materials different composition and characteristic to form. Natural fiber is a reinforced polymer composite material is rapidly growing both in terms of their industrial application and fundamental research. They are renewable, cheap, compatibility or partiality recyclable and biodegradable. Plants such as flax, cotton, hemp, jute, sisal, kenaf are example of natural fiber. Classification of natural fiber is classified into wood, stem, leaf, sheaf, grass and silk. Material selection is a very important process in product development. It is the important activities for design procedure. The material selection is help to the range of material has been narrowed. It will be easier to choose the suitable materials. Sisal is one of the most widely used natural fiber and a very easily cultivated. It is obtained from sisal plant, the plant known as formerly Agave siciliana. Kenaf is a plant of Malvaceae family Hibiscus canavinus. Is in the genus Hibiscus and is probably native to Southern Asia. Though its exact natural origin is known, the name of also applies to the fiber obtained from this plant. Kenaf is one of the allied fiber for jute and shows similar characteristics. The fibers in kenaf are found in the bast and core. The bast constitutes 40% of the plant. The fiber are long 2 to 6 mm and cylinder. Apparatus requirement for fabrication: distilled water, plywood, blacker, bucket, weight roller, paintbrush, gloves, resins, kenaf fibers, sisal fibers, tissue paper, silicon spray, plastic, alkali and many other things. Chemical treatment of natural fibers are 6% of NOH preparation in 6 gram in 100 ml. Procedure of fabrication to untreated natural fiber. We have to fabricate sisal and kenaf natural fiber by a Handley method. First we have to immerse the natural fibers in distilled water for 48 hours and per day it kept in 6 hours in dry in sunlight. Then we have to mix a mixture of hardener and softener resins. After that we have to take big fly and put in plastic. After we have to kept the mixture and again put one sisal fiber. After again mixture, again kenaf fiber, again mixture and again we have to this layer we have to done in 3 times. Then we have to make untreated natural fiber, untreated composite natural fiber. After we have to proceed with treated natural fiber. This is also we have to done in Handley method. First of all, the natural fiber was immersed in distilled water in 48 hours. After we have to soak in sodium hydroxide with 6 ml concentration of 2 hours. Put in distilled water, remove excess sodium hydroxide. Then we have to done all procedure for same as untreated natural fibers. This is look like after the finish all procedure to treated and untreated natural fiber. This picture is shown. Then we have to use some testing. These are the testing STM value of testing machines. First we have to done tensile test. In this test we have to found that a stress and a strain graph. In this graph we have to see treated natural fiber are better than the untreated natural fiber. After we have to done flexible test. In this also we have to shown the graph load as a displacement. In also treated natural fiber is better than the untreated natural fiber. After we have to test delimitation test. In this test we have to shown test that the load as displacement. In this test also we have to shown that treated natural fiber is better than the untreated natural fiber. After we have to test water absorption test. In this test we have to shown treated natural fiber are weight gain is more than the untreated natural fiber. Then we have to test Rockwell test. In this test we have to check hardness of the composite natural fiber. It is shown as the treated natural fiber is better than the untreated natural fiber. Then application of composite material. We have to use these materials in a storage device, that is post boxes, gain storage, seal, biogas containers. Also you have to use in furniture, chair, table, electric device. Also use everyday application. Also you have to use low density use. Also we have to use natural fibers are used in many everywhere, like home, schools, hospitals, everywhere. This is the picture of some applications of composite natural fibers. Advantage of natural fiber. The main advantage of natural fiber are low specific weight resulting in a higher specific strength and stiffness than a glass fiber. It is a renewable source. The production requirement little energy and CO2 is carbon dioxide is used while oxygen is given back to the environment. Producible with low investment at a low cost, which makes the material an interesting product for low wage countries. Reduced wear of tooling, healthier working condition and no skin irritation, and many advantages are there. Conclusion. After everything done this project, then we have to come a conclusion. A lot of research has been done on natural fiber cement polymer composite, but research on sisal and kenaf polymer is a very rare. The alkali treatment has improved the mechanical property of the composite. In this work we compare resulting mechanical properties of sisal kenaf hybrid composite subjected to treated and untreated, and we found that chemically treated kenaf and sisal composite is better than untreated in all aspects. In future the final composite material coated by a calcium phosphate and hydroxyl APAT composite can be used for both internal and external fixation on the human body for fracture bone. After we have to plan to future scope, we have to plan to test the analysis can be carried out, can compare with experimental result. We have to also test the wear test and corrosion test, SEM analysis and impact test. These are the references where we have to take some reference and journal papers to study and make this project. In last, thank you all of you and welcome again to listen and view this video. Thank you all of you.